Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at Olixar's Easy Fit screen protector for the iPhone 13. Before we begin, make sure you check out the links in the description below for all your mobile accessory needs. So, the Olixar glass screen protector is not like the rest. The screen protector comes with a handy tray that allows simple and quick installation. The tray will allow you not to have to worry about lining up the screen protector with the phone and allow you to focus on getting rid of dust and bubbles. I can't be the only person that has installed a screen protector thinking I've done a great job as there's no dust inside, then seeing that it's not quite lined up with the phone. In the pack you will get one screen protector and installation tray, as well as a nice large microfiber and screen cleaners. Right, to start off, you need to clean your screen to ensure nothing is trapped in between the screen and the protector. Grab the included screen cleaner and wipe across the whole screen. Now, get the included microfiber cloth and wipe over the screen. Make sure you leave no moisture. Next, grab the included dust grabber. Gently dab onto the screen to collect any dust. Take your time on this step to make sure nothing is left over. Now, get the screen protector and included tray. Peel the back off the protector. You will see at the top of the plastic tray there is an earphone cutout. This identifies the top of the protector. Now put the tray onto your phone. Once put on your phone, push your finger from one side of the tray to the other following the arrow. Now get two fingers and go from the middle of the protector outwards, again following the arrows. Now wait around 30 seconds to ensure the protector is stuck down. You can then remove the tray from the phone. Finally, grab the microfiber cloth and work out any possible bubbles to the edge of the protector to release them. As you can see, it's a perfect installation every time. I honestly would never get a screen protector without this type of installation again, as this type of job makes it so much easier. Great work, Olixar. I hope this helps you install your Olixar screen protector. Please subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun. Share with anyone you know that's prone to smashing their screen. Comment below your thoughts on this screen protector installation tray. And finally, to buy this or any other phone accessories, check out the link in the description.